I made another video. Now you guys are going to see my doggos. Kind of soft. Good stuff, What's up? Ah, you're cute. Got 3 doggos. Now one right here. Shaggy! What's up, buddy? I love this guy, the most one. Then we got Dicta. And then Brownie. Brownie's downstairs, so I'll go get him. This is where my dad sleeps. So if you hear a movie or something, that's him. Yeah, I know, that's him. Where is he? Oh. Thought he would be here. Oh, there you are, Ronnie. What's up? Let me pet you. Hey, buddy. Okay, that's all. I will do a face reveal one day. Probably. This is probably gonna fail or something. I don't know. I don't really care. Okay, bye guys. That's all. Made a new quick video because I want to show you all my dogs. Okay, bye.